Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Using soon Ezuk topic show, that is intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces. This topic is also having another name, that is van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces because these forces were first proposed by a Dutch scientist, namely van der Waal. So intermolecular forces, they are also called as van der Waals forces in the honor of the Dutch scientist, namely van der Waal, who was working out on real gases. Real gasen पे उसी काम करान तो तते करें यम forces discover, right? Now, as the name indicates, yim intermolecular forces she, that is inter, that is they are different from intra. Intra means within molecule, inter means between molecules. So these are the forces which exist between molecules, right? If we have to define these intermolecular forces, we will define these as, so their definition, agar assume define asan karin, is karo kim define as forces of attraction and repulsion. Forces of attraction and repulsion between the interacting particles. What is the nature of these particles? The particles between which these forces of attraction and repulsion will be present. These particles may exist in the form of atoms, they may exist in the form of ions, or they may exist in the form of molecules, right? So if we have to define these intermolecular forces or van der Waals forces, they may be defined as the forces of attraction. So they are forces of attraction as well as repulsion between. So this is very important. I have told you it's inter means between. Go yim tim forces of attraction to repulsion to molecule and darmiyan, na ki within a molecule, na ki within an atom, na ki within an ion. Are you getting this? So intermolecular forces are the forces of attraction and repulsion. Not only attraction, they are also the forces of repulsion between the interacting molecules. That means these interacting particles. What we mean by interacting particles, that means interacting means forces. What we mean by interacting, that means forces are operative. यानी कि interacting मतलब क्या गो, forces are operative over a certain distance. यानी कि यम forces छ exist गसान, यम छ operate गसान कुनी हदस तान, कुनी distance तान, beyond which they fail to exist. और अस हेको इति वनित इंटरैक्टिंग मतलब क्या गो यम पार्टिकल्स अगर इंटरैक्ट करन यम सित यम फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन इन वजूदस मज ति क्या मतलब गो फोर्सेस हसा छ ऑपरेटिव यम हसा छ वजूदस मज यवान कुनि हदस तान मतलब गो अगर मैं मैग्नेट छु बे छ मैं फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव अ मैग्नेट एंड आई हैव अ आयरन नेल मे छ मेख अथ मैग्नेटस छु आसान पनुन फील्ड यानी कि अगर इस मेख अत नजदीक अनो यह मैग्नेट छ अत पानस थफ करान वन अगर बह मेख दूर 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 निमन अख डिस्टेंस वात सो यतन यह मैग्नेट हेक पनुन फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन अत मेख पे एक्सर्ट करित कह गो तथ वनान यम जन पार्टिकल्स यम हेकन पान वन अट्रैक्ट या रिपेल करित via intermolecular forces kuni distance tan within a certain distance kuni hadas tan. Are you getting this? Now it can be also defined as interacting means particles must interact. Interacting particles means particles must interact for the forces to be operative यानी कि इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स यी तेली ये वंडरवाल्स फोर्स यी तेली वजूदस मज येली पार्टिकल्स पानवन इंटरैक्ट करन तिम तेली येली तिम कुनि डिस्टेंसस तान पानवन दूर थवोक अगर तिम वारिया दूर आसन तिम हेकन न पानवन का फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन एक्सर्ट करित किया ती छुस बह वनान यम हेकन फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ते असित रिपल्शन ते असित बट दे आर प्रेजेंट बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल्स बिटवीन पार्टिकल्स that means not within a molecule or within an atom or within an ion. It's between atoms, between ions or between molecules. So these are the forces which are actually the forces of attraction or repulsion between interacting particles. Interacting मतलब गो पार्टिकल गसन पानवन इंटरैक्ट करन तिम तेली येल तिम कुनि डिस्टेंस पे पानवन आसन सेपरेट सु गो इंटरैक्टिंग पार्टिकल्स. फोर्सेस आर ऑपरेटिव. फोर्सेस कम फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन यी तेली वजूदस मज येल किया पार्टिकलन पानवन डिस्टेंस आसे या पार्टिकल करन तेली पानवन इंटरैक्ट यानी कि यम करन तेली फोर्स एक्सर्ट येल यमन किया डिस्टेंस पानवन मेंटेन करमज राइट. तो अम पु युस जन ये वंडरवाल्स या इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या रिपल्शन अम पत वुचो अमची प्रॉपर्टीज क्या छ. What are the properties of intermolecular forces? Right? Properties of intermolecular forces. Godnuku usen most important property ami force that is yim trishwini state of matter must exist gasan. So we will first of all write down these forces of attraction or repulsion. They exist in all the three important states of matter यानी कि त्रिशवनी स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर चन त्रिशवनी फॉर्मन मज यम एक्सर्ट गसान but with difference in relative magnitudes. ठीक है यानी कि whether we have a solid substance, whether we have a liquid substance, or whether we have a gaseous substance, right? Solid, it's a state of matter. Liquid, it's a state of matter. And gas, it's also a state of matter. Go yim zanim intermolecular forces of attraction या repulsion यम exist गसान solid मज ति यम exist गसान liquid मज liquidन मज ति तो यम छि गसान exist gasan मज ति. So we can say that these intermolecular forces, they exist in case of solids, they exist in case of liquids, and they also exist in case of gases. Now, where lies the difference? The difference lies in terms of relative magnitudes. What we mean by that? That the intermolecular forces of attraction will be having a different magnitude in solids, that or the value, the force of attraction or the force of repulsion in solids will be different as compared to the intermolecular force of attraction. Its magnitude will be different in liquids, and similarly it will be different than that of gases. We all know that solids, most of the solids, they have high density, liquids have relatively low density, and liquids in turn have higher density as compared to that of gases. So in this array of solids, liquids and gases, this classification of matter, we have the existence of intermolecular forces with different magnitudes. Tamic matlab go solid and manchasan intermolecular forces of attraction या repulsion. अगर इस mostly शेष करान use intermolecular forces of attraction, that we will see later why only this attraction. यानी कि intermolecular forces between constituent particles छ आसान maximum in solids, तम खोत कम छ आसान minimum in solids and least in gases. नमन मज ति छ आसान मगर नमन मन छ आसान वारिया कम. सु कर छ अस तरन फिक्री अगर इस का गैस liquefy करो either by exerting pressure or by decreasing temperature, we have the conversion of a gas into a liquid, right? So gas या liquid as मज गैस convert तमिक मतलब गो तमिक molecules या constituent atoms छ पानवे नजदीक यवान. येल तिम पानवे नजदीक यिन तमिक मतलब गो तिम गसन कोलिस मतलब गो अगर तिम अलग अलग atoms gaseous status मज या अलग अलग molecules gaseous status मज वन येल तिम liquid status मज तिमो बने बड़ पार्टिकल्स मतलब गो यम एटम्स रले पानवन यमो बने बड़ कंपाउंड एटम्स या मॉलिक्यूल्स रले पानवन तिमो बने लार्ज साइज्ड मॉलिक्यूल्स. वार गो कंडेंस ये बनो अख यूनिफॉर्म फेज ऑफ अ लिक्विड. दैट मीन्स मॉलिक्यूल्स या एटम्स यम नजदीक पानवन यम तेल नजदीक येल यमन फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आसि. तमिक मतलब गो गैसन मज तु आसान. मगर अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशंस अगर का गैशियस सबस्टेंस अत मन मिनिमम इंटरमॉलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन तो सॉलिडन मन मैक्सिमम. गो गोडनिची प्रॉपर्टी यन इंटरमॉलिकुलर फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन यम मैक्सिमम सॉलिडन मज. गो अस वनो यम हसा मैक्सिमम ये मिनिमम या येतन वनो येतन इंटरमीडिएट तो येतन वनो मिनिमम. ठीक है, minimum one is then one is intermediate. So we can say that solids have maximum force of attraction between constituent particles followed by liquids, and in the end we have gases which have least intermolecular forces of attraction between them. The empath is the next property she amich number second property is an intermolecular forces and hence yim chasan kamzor as compared to a covalent bond, or we can say they are weaker than intramolecular forces. So we can say they are weaker forces than intramolecular forces. Intramolecular forces, for example, a covalent bond. Wushu sa kith kati. Agar es wunchu for example nimo is. Ashu liquid water. ठीक शा? Liquid water. Alright? Its formula is H2O. H2O. Usually H2O molecule chasan under normal conditions to H2O it exists as a liquid. ठीक शा? Normal conditions manchu exist gasan as a liquid. Liquid chi aw mujub gasan kaz ki exist gasan aw mujub kaz ki usually yat oxygen atom it's more electronegative as compared to that of hydrogen. So because of being more electronegative as compared to that of hydrogen, the electron pairs, both the bonded pairs of electrons present between oxygen and hydrogen, they are dragged towards oxygen. So it pulls the electrons towards itself. It does not break the bond, rather it creates a partial shift of electrons towards itself, including both OH bonds. Tami sit kya chu gasan, yazani electron pair to ye electron pair yim zan shift chi gasan kukun oxygen as kun, chunki electron chu negative charge, tami sit kya chu gasan oxygen is yuvan partial negative charge to naman shiva partial positive charge. Go MC gasan is negative pole create, basically positive pole create. And because of the creation of these poles, or we call this as dipole, dipole. This is also called as dipole. So we will have two dipoles over here. These dipoles come into existence because of the electronegativity difference between oxygen and hydrogen. So in case of liquid water, or in case of H2O molecule, we have the existence of two dipoles within a molecule. Are you getting this? Now this dipole has a negative end and a positive end. Ekis water molecules man chase as such, agar simplest form nimo, at man z dipole. Positive end, two positive ends and one negative end. Usually water molecule chunki at water molecules nazdik asan variya zyada water molecules in surround. Agar मैं yod for example beak water molecule name H2O like this, it will also have a partial positive, and partial negative. Now as we know, in case of electrostatics, like poles repel, unlike poles attract. So this negative pole of this water molecule, it will be attracted to the positive pole of this water molecule. That means it will be attracted to hydrogen. Go using the force of attraction, it's between molecules. Remember this thing, it's between one molecule and another molecule. If you carry base molecule, you carry base molecule, you carry base molecule, and such molecules associate. In this, we have the force of attraction between a partially positive atom and a partially positive atom and partially negative atom. Atman sharing of electrons gasan ke. This force of attraction is called intermolecular force of attraction. Now, agar मैं ये water molecule for example, when agar मैं ये water karan heat, ये गैस convert into vapor. कथ मज गैस convert? Vaporous मज. Vaporous मज गैस ये तेल convert ये water molecules पानवइन अलग अलग कर होक. यानी कि we have to supply energy in order to break this force of attraction between these oppositely charged ends of two dipoles, right? Go at lages energy. Let us suppose I require 15 joules of energy. For example, 15 joules lage math energy. ठीक है? Let us suppose menu akhmo lemuk तो at lage में 15 joules of energy convert करनस vaporous में. यानी कि आप न्यू में akhmol ये ग्रेकनो में ये go convert from liquid to vapor phase. ठीक है? Go bushus wanan weaker forces than intramolecular. Now agar ba you have water molecule further current heat vapor formers. When she vapor formers, यानी कि vapor formers she अलग अलग. ठीक है? When current be further heat bushus यासानी bond breaker. ठीक है? Further heating खातिर at like वारिया high energy, यानी कि further heating सिद मेलेथ kinetic energy ज़्यादा. मगर when अगर मैं ये bond break करूँ तथ लग में tremendously high energy ताकि युजन ये water molecule it will break to hydrogen and oxygen. ठीक है? Go युजन force of attraction was it was present between molecules. अथ लज में let us suppose 15 joule energy. One force of attraction between oxygen and hydrogen. Force of attraction between hydrogen and oxygen. That means intramolecular. Exi molecules must force of attraction between atoms. Go molecules must force of attraction katmas between atoms. When agar me force of attraction to break karun, tamu matlab ko me bond break karun. Yel me bond break karun go tat like various zyada energy at like kilojoules. ठीक है? Kilojoule mans, let us suppose it will take much higher energy. Let us take example that it will take energy in terms of kilojoules. Go one chus bhi yasan ye bond break karun. See look na itan me covalent bond. Go agar me intermolecular force of attraction as break karun between at constituent particles, they may be atoms, they may be ions, or they may be molecules. Touch me laga kamai energy as compared to the force of attraction between atoms in a molecule. That means intra. Issue molecule ath mans tu force of attraction between atoms. Touch is one intra. Go within molecule. Are you getting this? Go gwanish kath yes me when use an intermolecular forces of attraction ya repulsion chi imche sarni state mans exist gasan, whether it's solid, liquid or gas. Solid mans maximum tam khud kam chi intermediate stage mans liquid mans to minimum chi gas mans. Second important feature of these forces is that they are weaker as compared to intramolecular forces. For example, intramolecular force covalent bond. Agar is intermolecular force when karo compare covalent bond is it's weaker as compared to that of a covalent bond. Hoch lagan kam energy, yat manch lagan zyada energy. Yat manch sam poor bond and hund, yat manch sam bond banyum through overlap of orbitals. Yat manch sam poor sharing of electrons gumuts. It's simply an electrostatic force of attraction. Are you getting this? The empath which is cream property image. So empath which is image. Third important property, that is the third important property is three is an important property image here. Such using intermolecular forces of attraction yim exist gasan exist in both polar as well as non-polar substances. Non-polar substances. ठीक छा यानी कि यम जन यम intermolecular forces of attraction या repulsion यम exist गसान polar substances मज ति non-polar substances मज. Polar substances गई तिम यवन में वनी यमन मज अख definite dipole आस. Dipole कर आस येल constituent particles येल constituent atoms ekis molecules मज यम जन आसन तिमन आस पानवन electronegativity difference. So we will say whenever we have electronegativity difference between atoms in a molecule. Athmas agar is example nimo, for example, polar molecule या polar substance to water, polar substance to ammonia, polar substance to ethanol, right? Polar substance to hydrogen sulfide, polar substance to HF, etc. Kyazi agar is yathmaz usho, we have different elements. Yathman choice oxygen to hydrogen. Oxygen is more electronegative than that of hydrogen. So yathmaz tyas polarity bond and maz. Nitrogen is the hydrogen is much electronegativity difference. Nitrogen to hydrogen khot more electronegative. Tam sit kya gas kam nitrogen is partial negative charge, hydrogen is partial positive charge. At gas dipole create. Yethekati oxygen is more electronegative than that of hydrogen. So go use an OH bond yathmaz as polar. Yethekati sulfur is more electronegative as compared to that of hydrogen. So yath has partial negative, yath has partial positive, though it will be less polar as compared to that of water, right? Similarly, HF, hydrogen is the fluorine as much as bond as it will be polar in nature. Fluorine is more electronegative, you have electron upon skun. The using bond it will be polar, yath has negative pole, even a positive pole, it will have a definite dipole. Are you getting this? So agar is water molecules timasan bound by dipole interaction or dipole gets base dipole interact, right? Ethicity ammonia smudge, ethicity ethanol and hydrogen sulfide, including this hydrogen fluoride, right? Go yimzanim intermolecular forces of forces yim exist gasan polar substances maj non-polar substances maj. Agar is when non-polar substances nimo, if we take non-polar substances, non-polar substances maj yuan hydrogen, हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल अत मन हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन निमो ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन निमो N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N राइट गो अगर क्लोरीन निमो Cl2 Cl सिंगल बॉन्ड Cl ठीक है गो यम जन नोम सबस्टेंसेस दे आर नॉन पोलर वाई दे आर नॉन पोलर कैज कि यह जन बॉन्ड पेयर नमन मज 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन नमन मज 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन या 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स यथ मज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यह जन इलेक्ट्रॉन चूंकि नेचर ऑफ एलिमेंट सेम योर हाइड्रोजन दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर विल बी इक्वली शेयर्ड बिटवीन 2 atoms. Similar is the case over here and likewise in case of nitrogen and chlorine. So यथ मन वन यम जन इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस यम पोलर सबस्टेंस फॉर एग्जांपल मे दितु तुम अपार एग्जांपल दिस मैं ब्रोट अत पेजस पे दिस मैं एग्जांपल कम ये वाटर एग्जांपल दिस मैं तथ मज हो मे यम जन डायपोल्स पान इंटरेक्ट करान मगर ये जरूरी कह यह वो तुम नेक्स्ट लेक्चरन मज यम polar substances मज योत exist गसान कह they also exist in case of non-polar substances ठीक है non-polar substances like hydrogen oxygen nitrogen या chlorine ठीक है अम पत वुचन युंद अमुक effects these are very important गो गोडनिच property यस मे वन गोडनिच important property यस इन intermolecular forces of attraction वन that means अगर इस पाथ कुन दिमो नजर they exist in all the 3 states of matter गो यम जन 3 states of matter यम त्रेशवनी मज exist गम but having different relative magnitude मतलब गो अगर solid अत मज maximum force of attraction liquid मज कम पहम तो गैसन मज minimum next important feature यूज मे property his so वन मे यम जन इंट्रा they are weaker than intramolecular force गो सो force यूज अकिस molecules मज अगर मैं for example अख water molecule न्यू अत मज यूज force of attraction between atoms intramolecular force of attraction is between atoms in a molecule अकिस molecules मज यूज force of attraction pan that force of attraction is in fact a covalent bond right या सो has force of attraction हसा covalent bond गो अगर मैं ये intermolecular force of attraction कंपेयर करूँ intramolecular force of attraction यह weak as compared to this intramolecular ये कित कट नानान यह नानान अगर मैं वाटर ग्रेकनाव यह बन यह ग्रेकनाव बह अत बन वेपर अगर बह वेपर कोत ग्रेकनाव अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशंस यह गस ब्रेक हाइड्रोजनस तो ऑक्सीजनस मज कह अम खतर पेवान we require electrolysis यह पेवान electrolysis through breakdown करुन अलबत्ता अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशंस अगर वारिया टेम्परेचर तो इंक्रीज करो गो यह इंट्रामोलिकुलर फोर्स तन फटान कह अम तल यह तरह फिक्र यह इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इट्स अ वीकर फोर्स एज कंपेयर्ड टू दैट ऑफ इंट्रामोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन similarly then we have the third important property that property is it exists यह polar compound मज योत exist गसान कह यह non polar substance मज ते exist गसान non polar मज hydrogen O2 N2 Cl2 that means non polar mostly आसान homonuclear यह वोन मे तह अम पे mostly यम homonuclear मतलब गो यथ मज nature of atoms is same which are made up of same types of atoms अम पे अमुक effect क्या अम सत पेवान यानी कि यम जन इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस अम सत कुस इफेक्ट पेवान सारे खुद मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इफेक्ट यह जन गो अस लेखो अम पत अमुक इफेक्ट क्या अगर कह सबस्टेंस इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स अत मज एग्जिस्ट गसान तो तम सत क्या अत सबस्टेंस पे असर पेवान व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस ऑन अ वैरायटी ऑफ मैटर फर्स्ट the most important aspect of the effect of intermolecular forces is they are responsible they are responsible for many structural and physical, this is very important, physical properties of matter. Properties of matter यानी कि यम intermolecular forces ch yim hasa ch determine karan various structural and most of the physical properties of matter. ठीक छा? Structural properties अगर इस निमो, for example we have proteins. For example protein इश आस निश छा ठीक? Protein में छा पता तथ में छा primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure तो quaternary structure. ठीक छा? Primary structure go simply sequence of amino acids. Sequence of amino acids. You should go in next or in 12th class or in biochemistry or biotechnology must wuchu sequence of amino acids in a protein. Sequence of amino acids. यानी कि amino acids कम तरतीब सान आसन लगित through a peptide bond तछ इस वना primary structure. Using secondary structure छु या tertiary structure छु कुनी protein या quaternary structure छु tim structures they are all determined by intermolecular forces. ठीक है? Primary structure should determine karan intermolecular force like hydrogen bonding. Tertiary structure this karan. Secondary structure karan determine this intermolecular force. Quaternary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, they are all determined by intermolecular forces. यानी कि यमी forces है वनान what type of secondary structure, what type of tertiary structure, and what type of quaternary structure a particular protein will have. The big important factor that is physical property. इथे कड़ी अगर इस वुचान ice to water, दशविनी मन छ hydrogen bonding. Ice मज त hydrogen bonding, the water मज छ hydrogen bonding. But this hydrogen bonding leads to a different structure. Ice मज छ ox structure, crystal lattice. The water मज छ ox structure. मगर दशविनी मन छ hydrogen bonding. But the nature of structures is different. So different आसान अवै मूजूब क्या कि intermolecular forces of attraction छ आसान different. तमी मूजूब छ आसान ices different structure as compared to that of water. ये मन छ आसान different structure because of different nature of hydrogen bonding, right? I'm पच युवान ब्याक important factor that is physical property. Physical property. Physical property अगर तो याद आशि तो छु पाई physical property की सब property यथ मज न आख सबस्टेंस पन आइडेंटिटी लूज कर लाइक मेल्टिंग बॉइलिंग गो अगर फॉर एग्जांपल निमो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी अगर निमो वन इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ वी विल टेक NH3 PH3 ठीक है बे निम बह फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेक HF तो बे निम बह HCl ठीक है यम ग्रुप 15 हाइड्राइड्स मीन Group 15 is nitrogen gobar beishwan phosphorus. Nom hydrides of group 17 hydrides. Group 15 to group 17. Ashipai ammonia it's normally it's a gas. The using ammonia is easily liquefiable gas. यह कौन इस liquefy ते करी थी यानी कि liquor ammonia तिशा आसान है. मगर phosphine छु ये सुना गोबर phosphine it's a liquid it's a gas इथे कटी hydrogen fluoride छु liquid मगर HCl छु under normal conditions it's a gas. This is an easily liquefiable gas. Go you should liquid तो you should gas. Although both are hydrides of group 16 ये क्या कि using intermolecular forces of attraction between HF molecules will be different as compared to that of intermolecular forces of attraction between HCl. सु राशि तमुक मतलब गो यह लिक्विड मतलब गो यथ मज HF molecules वारिया नजदीक तो HCl molecule HCl sample अथ मज molecules वारिया दूर तमुक मतलब गो intermolecular forces of attraction between HF molecules they will be stronger as compared to that of intermolecular forces of attraction present between HCl molecules. Go yel noman don mans intermolecular forces of attraction different asan issue liquid issue gas yath ashi tele boiling point yath ashni boiling point ke go physical property matlab go issue liquid issue gas yeli liquid chu athas melting point yet has melting point keh. Similarly, agar easy this boiling point. Similarly, if we have ammonia, it is easily liquefiable gas. Agar 10 degrees पर for example liquefy gasi, ye gases let us suppose agar 10 degrees पर ye gas minus temperature पर liquefy. So case ki yath manz yim intermolecular forces of attraction they are stronger as compared to the intermolecular forces of attraction between phosphine molecules. Similarly, agar is water chu H2S, they are hydrides of group 16. Water chu liquid, तो ये chu gas. ये chu gas. Go water chu liquid आव मूजूब अथ मंज आसान H2O molecules bound by intermolecular forces of attraction which are stronger as compared to that of intermolecular forces of attraction between H2S molecules. Go अस वनान यम जन यम intermolecular forces of attraction yim trawan asar, they exert, they have an influence or they are responsible for physical properties. Ya melting, ya boiling point, ya boiling point keen. Ya ithe kadi agar bol kan substance chu liquid, kan chu solid, kan chu gas. Liquid size boiling point, athas melting point keen. Solid size melting point. The gas size na said melting point, na said boiling point. None. Yet usually liquid solid chu yeli convert gas liquid as much that was boiling point. Go yim property ya solid chu at much intermolecular forces of attraction zyada. Go has melting point. Ya ak solid chu base solid is different. Ak solid chu for example agar मैं ice chu base में let us suppose if I have ice base में NaCl. Both are solids. Right? Yim chu में दशवे solid. NaCl is chu melting point ak to ice is chu melting point beak. Both are solids but they have different melting points. What does it indicate? It simply indicates that the interparticle or intermolecular forces of attraction in NaCl and ice, that means water molecules and NaCl units, they are different. So it leads to difference in their physical properties. Yath agar exert karo pressure, यानी कि अगर ये compress कर बदिम फॉर एग्जांपल तुलकत्र अगर बह चाड़ दिम तुलकत्र टुकरा अगर सह फटी ती मगर NaCl फटी न कह रॉक सॉल्ट. या अगर मैं डायमंड इथे कटी अगर मैं आइस क्यूब यह थो बह बानस मज NaCl थो बह बानस मज पत करक बह यम हीट तुम वो यह जल्दी मेल्ट यह मेल्ट कह. What does that indicate? यमिक melting point higher as compared to the melting point of ice. ठीक है वो यम गई यह physical properties. Breakage, shape, melting point, boiling point, appearance, color, texture, their physical properties. These intermolecular forces of attraction are also responsible for many of the physical properties. The rest we will see tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.